Hello, flute friends. This is a warm-up for beginning band students who just learned their instrument. Maybe you know 3 notes. Those notes would be D, E flat, and F. Before we get started, we need to make sure we're listening with our headphones on. So go ahead and put those on. We're going to be performing this together. When you go to perform this warm-up, you can do it either standing up, which I prefer, or sitting down, which is fine if you want to do that. Just make sure that if you're sitting, that your back and your rear is as forward as it can go on the chair, and that you have a straight back. So line up your ears with your shoulders so you have a straight back. Just a quick review before we get going, we need to make sure we check our hand placement on our instrument. So when we go to play, we want to have our thumb nearby, our 3 fingers hovering on those 3 notes, right hand hovering over these 3 notes, and your pinky on this one. Thumb underneath, left hand being supported on the knuckle right here on the first finger, curved ever so slightly in. And now that we've done that, we're actually going to practice breathing. So you can set your flute down for a moment. Take a deep breath in with me. We're going to go all the way to the top of the inhale and then let it out with a normal. Here's the breath in. Good, good. Let's do that again. Big breath in. Yeah, good. Nice job. Make sure you're going all the way to the top of the inhale. You're letting your body expand naturally in the chest, lower back area. All those places should expand as you breathe. Now we're going to do a metered breath. We're going to do 4 sets of 4, making a flute embouchure. Nice and easy, air out. Okay, this would be a very small blow. Here's the inhale in, and then we'll go 4 sets of 4 on that small air out. 1, 2, ready in. If that was easy, great job. If that wasn't easy, try to collapse the blowing hole, the aperture that the air is coming out of, and also make sure you're taking in that full inhale with me. One more time for 16. 1, 2. Nice. Now one more challenge. We're going to go to 5 sets of 4 or 20 counts. Here we go. 5 sets of 4. 1, 2, inhale. Good job. Now we're going to grab our flute and check our hand positions one more time. And we're going to start with the note D as in dog. This is going to be thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. We're going to play this note as long as we can on one breath. D. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great. Let's do that one more time on a D. Make sure that you're taking that huge breath, trying to find as small of the aperture as you can while also maintaining a great sound. You're trying to copy my sound. Keep that in mind. 1, 2. All right, nice. Now that we've done that, we're going to move on to the E flat note. Remember that for E flat, all we're going to do is we're going to add our pinky. We're going to add our pinky in the right hand. Left hand stays the same. Thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then pinky. This is the E flat note for as long as we can. Check your hands, check your face. Make sure you're making a great sound, a nice soft sound. 1, 2. we're going to do that again. E flat for as long as we possibly can on one breath. 1, 2. Great. Now we're going to move on to the last note that we know, the F note. This is going to add the first finger in the left hand, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Right hand is going to change. Going to go to just the first finger. Just the first finger in the right hand and pinky. So these two fingers will lift off and this finger will come down. F. Here we go, an F as long as we can on one single breath. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, here we go one more time on the F note on one breath for as long as we can. 1, 2. Drop the octave there. That's okay. We're experimenting. We're trying to go as long as we can, and that's acceptable at this point in your journey in band. I hope this helped. If you need more notes in a warm-up sequence, check the description. I will have the next video linked below. That'll be the C and the B flat on the flute. That'll get our first 5 notes going. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck on your flute journey. Bye-bye.